Guys, welcome back. This is Jan and in today's video we are going to see about cast iron cookwares. So recently I have got these 5 cookwares from Shri Annamalai Traders. They are one of the best sellers in South Tamil Nadu and they do business all over India, and the best part is they are in the market for 3 decades. So 30 years they are in the market. So the quality of the product is really amazing. It's really heavy, and that's how the cast iron cookware should be. It is all pre-seasoned, so we don't want to worry about seasoning the cast iron. They do have different variety of models with them, and in this video we are going to see that also. And if you are my subscriber, you can avail 10% flat off from the MRP price. So do subscribe to the channel and avail the offer. Just use the coupon code JAN as mommy and you can avail the offer. So let's see one by one what I have got. And before that, let's see how the package has come and how I have unpacked the cookwares. Any new cookware will make us so excited, so I can't wait to open the box. This is how the package looked, and I have received in just 2 days of time. And first I'm going to disinfectant the complete package with the Dettol disinfectant spray and going to keep it in my balcony for 2 days. My excitement level got increased in these 2 days. I can't wait to unpack the package. Finally, I started unpacking after 2 days. The package was very rigid and it is nicely packed. They have covered the cardboard box with one more plastic wrap. They have also kept paper shreds in between the cookwares to avoid the damage. Most of the cookwares are packed individually also in a cardboard box. Shri Annamalai Traders, so from there I have got this, are located in prime location with 2000 square feet work area for packing the finished goods and to dispatch. Shri Annamalai Traders are from the house of SVP Ayyappa Rajan and Sons, which is 3-decade-old trading and manufacturing company in Tamil Nadu. You can see their products even in New York and Australia. They are in the market from 1991. Abroad orders are also accepted, so you can reach out to the contact number which I have given down below in the description box. Before using it for the first time, I thought I will give it a quick wipe. The cookwares are already pre-seasoned and it is ready to use. The products from Annamalai Traders, they don't use any kind of chemical powder or M-seal to hide the cracks, grinds and blowholes. I just rinsed off with the normal water and I have added a little bit of salt. And I'm going to give it a good scrub with this non-scratch scrub from Scotch-Brite. Then I'm going to just rinse it off with normal water. These cookwares are pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. The best thing about cast iron cookwares are they get more non-sticky and better on regular use. Let's get the tradition and the traditional taste back. Iron utensils are totally toxin-free, no enamel, no chemical coating on inner or outer surface. These are all a single piece design, so there are no screw or weld joint anywhere. After rinsing off, I am going to wipe it out with a clean cotton kitchen towel. Then I am going to add a good amount of sesame oil. I highly recommend sesame oil because of its high density. This is one of the best oil dispensers I have. It has a brush in its mouth so that you can spread the oil on the go. Spreading out the oil everywhere. After that, I'm going to take a paper towel and going to wipe off extra oil and spread it evenly. So I will be doing the same for the rest of the cookwares whatever I have got. The products from Annamalai Traders, they do have developed their own designs and they have promoted. They have a special canvas grip for easy handling of the utensils. There are a lot of advantages of using cast iron cookwares. High quality cast iron heats quickly, evenly, and even retain heat for longer, which in turn saves the cooking gas. In addition to that, a small amount of iron will get absorbed to the food as well. After washing it with water, salt, and drying out with the kitchen towel, and after applying good amount of oil, I'm going to heat all the cookware in gas stove for 10 minutes. This process you can skip as the products are already pre-seasoned. After heating up, the products will look like this. And next, let's see one by one what are all the products I have got from Sri Annamalai Traders. First one is the 7-inch omelette maker. The diameter is a 7 inch. It has a grip in the handle for easy access. We used to make omelets often, so we thought this is one of the much needed utensil for a kitchen. Let's see how the omelette came out with this omelette maker. I thought I will post a video on cooking with these products so that you will get an idea of the quality of the product. It came out really well, like how I used to get it in a non-stick pan. These pans are available in 5 inches and 6 inches as tatka pan. Next we will see the dosa tawa which I have got. This is a 10-inch dosa tawa, and even for this there is a rubber handle. I'm just wiping it off the excess oil from the pan. And took a ladle full of dosa batter and spreading it out equally. I added a little bit of, I use dosa tawa. These tawas are what I have got. This is the mini uttapam maker. This is the first product which I have chose. At the same time, you can make 4 uttapams as my kids needs a different. Next, let's see what I have got, and this is the skillet. It is a 10-inch skillet. The design is just awesome. You can use it for making any stir vegetables or even pepper chicken, or you can also make fish fry. Last week I made pepper prawns with this skillet, and they do have a variety of skillets. The one which I have shown is the 10-inch oven skillet. They do have a 9-inch also, 8 inches also available. Skillet with the rubber handle is also available for easy access. Next we will see what I have got, and this is the grill pan. Recently I started grilling a lot. My family likes grilled food, so I was thinking of some alternatives to the non-stick grill pan. And this is the best grill pan, I would say. I'll just show quickly on how I have grilled using this grill pan. I have added some onions, paneer, mushrooms and capsicum to the homemade barbecue masala. I have also taken some chicken breast and applied the same masala to the chicken as well. Now the vegetable, the pan, the grill, everything is ready. I'm going to put the vegetables in the skewers. Kids will really get excited with this dish. You can put your vegetables on the skewer and they will really enjoy having the food. As the iron kadais heat quickly and evenly, and they retain heat longer, that makes perfect for grilling the food. All the products from Sri Annamalai Traders are quality checked by a special crew they have with them. I am going to apply some coconut oil to make the recipe little healthier, and placing all the skewers with vegetables on it. As the heat spreads evenly, it is perfect for grilling the food. You can see the food is evenly cooked.